मुंबईचो गुंड विक्रांत देशमुख उर्फ विकीक शेनवारा राती पणजे शस्त्रां सयत गोंय पुलिसांनी अटक केली. खून, दरोडे, खंडणी अशा 33 गुन्यांवा खाला ताचेर मोक्का कायदो लायिल्लो आसा. आरोपी विक्रांत उर्फ विक्की आड महाराष्ट्रांत कितल्योशोच केशी नोंद आसात. देशविघातक आनी 30 परस चड गुन्यांवांत महाराष्ट्र पुलीस ताचो सोद घेताले. विक्रांत पणजे आशिल्ल्याची म्हायती गोपांनी पुलिशेक दिल्ली. ह्या म्हायतीच्या आदाराचेर शेनवारा रातीकडेन पुलिशेन सांपळो रचून ताका अटक केली. पुलीस निरीक्षक PSI मयूर पंशीकार, नितीन गांवकार, आदित्य माड्डोलकार, मनोज पेडणेकार, परेश बुगडे, पुलीस कॉन्स्टेबल ड्रायव्हर रामा घाडी हांच्या पुलीस पंगडान ताका धरलो. ताचे कडल्यान एक देशी पिस्तोल आनी कारतुशी जप्त केल्यात.
We have received information that he was staying in Kalangut, and yesterday in the evening he had come to Panjim apparently to visit the casinos, and that is where we had found him, and that is where he was apprehended after a short chase.
Where it is, sir? Panjim?
Panjim near the casinos.
He was alone or anybody was with?
It is suspected that he had one more associate. We are interrogating him on that point, and once his identity is established, we will make all efforts to apprehend him. The Mumbai police team came here last night. They had helped us with information. Their team is here. One senior PI Bhosle is here, seeing the intensity of the case and the notorious reputation of the criminal. A senior PI in charge of Navi Mumbai crime branch is in Goa for investigation and apprehension of this accused in Mumbai cases.
He came down after you arrested
No,
him?
he was here before. He was arrested. Mumbai crime branch had given us very good information about the presence of this accused, and coordination was being done at the senior levels between Navi Mumbai Police and North Goa.